Hi friends, Jai Hind, good evening. A warm welcome to all of you. Welcome to Stay Guruji. In this video, we have covered very important topic regarding Institute of Engineers, Delhi High Court status and the case which are running from last 7 years. Today we have discussed some very important terminology because IEI is doing nothing in the favor of student, but they are doing webinars and seminar and celebrating the Royal Chartered Day, but they don't know the student who have cleared after 2013 2013 those students who have completed their degree but they are not able to apply for any government jobs, gate exams or state level assistant engineer exam. They are facing from the worst scenario. Today we have going to talk about AICTC and IEI case, recording the case. Since in this year, means in 2020, there are four hearings are there: 11 February, 13th of March, 22nd of June and 29th of June. I have to show you, represent you all the order letter. Firstly, the order letter of 11 of February. In 11 of February, you all know I have mentioned admission is closed. This is the order letter of 11 of February. Second order letter is 13th of March. I have to show all the order letters in this year. This 13th March 2020. After that, the order letter of 22nd of June. This is the order letter of 22nd of June, and third one is 29 of June order letter. Okay, I have show you all the order letter of Institute of Engineers, and let me tell you, since 11 February the admission of IEI has been closed. It means that there is no entry in IEI. आप IIA में admission अब नहीं ले सकते. It talk about the current scenario of the case. If I talk about the current scenario, means what is the current scenario in COVID or post COVID or pre COVID. Next hearing date is October month, means the next month is the hearing, and such hearing are not being held 3 to 4 times. These are running from since 7 years. Such hearing are going on from last 7 years. The only suffer is student, and the student are not 1 to 4. These are approximately 1.25 lakh students who are suffer from this from last since 7 years. And one more important thing, since 2013, those students who have completed their degree, I repeat, those students who completed their degree after 2013 are not being able to apply for any government jobs, gate examination, state level assistant engineers examination, and they are not getting the payoff for their hard work. I repeat, they are not getting the payoff which they are given for their hard work. IEI means Institute of Engineers are doing nothing in the favor of student. Only students are suffering. They are doing what? They are doing webinars, seminars. They are celebrating Royal Chartered Day. They are doing Falana Day. Means they are celebrating. They are not serious about the students' career, students' future. Here let me show some court order already in the hearing date, and I already told you the next hearing in the month of October. Okay, in between this I request you all take your stand. I repeat, in between that I request you all please take your stand and fight for your rights. Fight for your rights. I am requesting you all, those who are doing diploma but not have enough money for doing regular degree. So I request you to please come together and make unity so that we can come and fight for our rights. In description there is a link of Telegram and Twitter. You have to join the Telegram group where we can talk each other. All through President of India praise II. I have to show you a photo. Yeah, in this photo you have seen President of India, means President Ramnath Kovind ji. India has played he have mentioned Institute of Engineers has played a crucial role in promoting the culture of R&D, means research and development. It has encouraged and sponsored even undergraduate engineer students to push the front line in the circum of the innovation. President Kovind, but in the current scenario, means in today's scenario, current situation, they are facing very worst condition, facing so many problems. So I would request you to please join us in this campaign to our rights. Join Telegram and Twitter, links are given below in the description. Thank you so much for your valuable time and your support.